ask anything? Kunal?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, sir, can you scroll up?
Beta, ये है solution. This is the solution. And now these are the new question.
Sir, I didn't understand the division part of 3 by root 3 by 3.
Uh, which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
Multiply with root 3 in the numerator and
Oh,
denominator.
okay. Okay, sir, I understood, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Question number 5. Two to the power 1 by 4, 3 to the power 1 by 3, 4 to the power 2 by 5. Right. We have to write down order. Order must be same. See the order. The first one you have order 4, 3, and 5. Right. So what I'm doing for like this having the same order. So what I can do, we can multiply by the LCM of 3, 4, and 5 and divide also, right? LCM of this number is 60 only, right? So if we'll multiply and divide, right, 60, so this will be go 15 to the power 1 by 60, first one for this one, right? For second one, this one multiplied in the power, you have to multiply by 60, 20 to the power 1 by 60. For third one, right, multiply with the power 60, right, 12 into 2, 24 to the power 1 by 60. So we can reduce this in the form 1 by 60, 1 by 60, 2 to the power 48 to the power 1 by 60. Right, all having the same power, same order, that's called 1 by 60. Right, so this is known as the order. This is the power. This power is known as the order, and with the order we are dealing with this, all having the same order. And what you have to do, just you have to take out the LCM of this, so you'll get the value, you will get the power, what power you are getting. From this you can, like in the power you are multiplying and divide by the same number, so you are getting the same power in this way, right? Just yes.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
in this it should be 2 raised to 2 into 12, na?
Oh, which one? 2
Uh,
by 5 was there, na?
हाँ
2 by 5 was there. To for that it was 24, and 4 you can write 2 square, na?
हाँ okay, understood.
Okay, now go for the next one, the question number 6, right? Question number 6, run the following sorts: root 5, right, 11 to the power 1 by 3, and 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 6 in the same order, right? So what we have to do, सबसे पहला काम क्या हो कि सबसे पहला काम क्या हो इसमें, what you have to do कि सबके पावर्स मेरे को सेम करने होंगे, ऑर्डर सेम करने होंगे, राइट? So look into this: 5 to the power 1 by 2, 11 to the power 1 by 3, 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1 by 6. Or what you can write, 2 to the power 6 to the power 1 by 6. So this having the power 1 by 2, this having the power 1 by 3, and this 2 to the power 6 into 3 having the power 1 by 6. Is it okay? This is the first step, right? Like everything you have to write in same sense. So this 2 was there, and this is 3 to the power 1 by 6. So what I'm doing कि थोड़ा सा उसे 1 by 6 पावर मिलाने के लिए, ऑर्डर सेम देने के लिए, मैंने बेस को भी 2 को भी मैंने लिख दिया 2 to the power 6 के फॉर्म में, राइट? And this having the power 1 by 6. Now both having the power 1 by 6, so I'm writing 2 to the power 6 into 3 whole to the power 1 by 6, right? So now all are the surds, right? All are the surds, but the orders are different, right? This having order 2, this having order 3, this having order 6. Now LCM of this is 6 only, so we have to make the power 6. So this will be 5 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 6. This is 11 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 6. This is only, right, 64 into 3 to the power 1 by 6. See, now all the numbers having same power, right? Surds सबके सब हैं और सबके order same है, right? सबके order same है, तो what I have to do now, I have to think on this only, right? ये 3 नंबर जो है उसके बारे में मेरे को अंदर के नंबर सोचने हैं, right? This is 125 to the power 1 by 6. This is 121 to the power 1 by 6. This is 192, I guess, to the power 1 by 6. Now you say first, second, and third, which one is greatest? I guess it's easier to understand. It's very easy to understand, right? Everyone is getting this. Very good, very good. 6, then 7 also there. 6, then 8 and 9. 8 तो अभी सॉल्व किया था हमने ना, 9 पे आता हूँ. 3 root 2, 3 root 2 plus 64 to the power 1 by 4 plus 2500 to the power 1 by 4 plus 8 to the power this 1 by 6. Right? We have to simplify. Whose doubt is this? Kiska doubt hai? Please write down in the chat. Whose doubt is this? Or raise your hand. Whose doubt is this? Sweta, raise your hand. Diti, koi bhi ek jan? Diti or Sweta, please. Haan, Diti. What is the problem, Diti?
Yeah, sir, actually, I was getting a little awkward answer. I just wanted to tally. I was able to solve.
Your voice is not coming properly.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I was not getting a proper answer. So I wanted to tally the method.
It's okay. Why you are not getting? What is the problem in this question? What problem you are facing? Hmm?
Sir, I first I have solved the thing, but I was getting like a bigger number. I was not getting a proper answer.
Achha.
Just want to know whether the method which I have done is right or wrong. Because I'm not having the answer.
What method you have done?
So first I wrote the powers like 2 raised to 1 by 3, and then like that I have solved.
For first 3 into root 2, we can't solve any further thing, so we are not writing anything, right? Right, first wale ko to you can't do anything, right? So you have not to write down anything in this way. Right, see the second one. The second one, 64. What do you know about this number 64? What is this?
It's
having the base to the power what? What 2 to the power? 2 to the power 6 to the power 1 by 4, right? 2500.
Hello?
2500. 2500, right? 2500 we can write 5 to the power 4 into 2 square, right? So 2 square into 5 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. 8 means 2 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 6. Is it okay? All having the base ना, उस बेस को, सभी के बेस को हमने 2 या 3 जो भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स होते हैं उस प्राइम फैक्टर्स में मैंने सबको लिख डाला. Is it okay, everyone? Anyone want to ask anything? Anyone? No one, right? This is 3 into root 2 plus 2 to the power 6. 6 means 2 to the power 3 by 2, right? 6 by 4, nothing but 3 by 2, or we can write 1 plus 1 by 2 means this will be 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 means 2 into root 2 plus this is 5 into 5 into 2 to the power 1 by 2, that's root 2, and this is root 2 only, right? So see, we can take out this root 2 common from all. So this is 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. So 11 times of root 2 something. Is it okay? Shweta, Diti, is it okay? Okay. Right, question number 9. Question number 9 के बाद Shweta, is it okay? 9 के बाद I'm getting 13. 13, 18, 19, 20. 13. First go for 13. Root 7 minus 1 upon root 7 plus 1 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus 1, right, is equal to a plus b root 7, right? Find value of a and b. Whose doubt is this? Smriti, raise your hand, please. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello.
So actually it is not getting solved.
What you are trying to do with this?
So value of A and B, I am not getting it.
What you are trying to do? How you are solving this?
So actually I took the LHS and I rationalized everything.
Very good, very good, very good.
Then I equated LHS equals to RHS, but the answer is not coming.
Very good, perfectly you have done. Only I guess the calculation you are not getting properly. So look into this, right? Two ways we can solve this, right? Two ways we can solve this. The first is the first number is given like root 7 minus 1 upon root 7 plus 1, right? Rationalize this separately. So how we rationalize this? We know that root 7 minus 1, we have to multiply and divide the first one, right? For this, I'm doing this, right? Similarly, for second one, root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus 1, multiplying with root 7 plus 1, multiplying with root 7 plus 1, right? From this, obviously, I know if you'll multiply, this will be root 7 minus 1 the whole square upon 7 minus 1, that's 6. From this, we are getting root 7 plus 1 the whole square upon 6. And there is a minus sign in between, right? A minus B whole square, obviously, all we know that this is 7 plus 1 minus 2 root 7 minus 7 plus 1 plus 2 root 7, whole thing divided by 6. 8 it cancel, minus 4 root 7 by 6, right? Or this
Yes,
is clear,
sir.
2 by 3 with minus of 2 by 3 root 7. Yes, please. Just coming with a see the calculation, right? From first. Done everyone? Yes. Now look into this. You can also take the LCM in this, the both way you can do.
So with the value of A and B, I'm not getting that properly.
Why not you will get here.
I got
Now,
that answer minus 2 by 3 root 7, but it was equal to A plus.
given, tell me. Yeah, tell me. You're getting this because to, right? You have to compare this with A and B. A plus B root 7.
Yes, sir.
A plus B root 7, right? Right. We know that the basic thing, this will, right, go with the rational one only. And the other one, this will go with the irrational root 7 only, right? So you can compare with b is equals to minus 2 by 3. A is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Question number was 13. Now, question number 14. Whose doubt is this? Question 14. Anyone? Raise your hand fast. Rationalize this. Question number 14. अगर ट्राई किया है तो आपको डिस्कस कर ही लेते हैं बेटा 14 हाँ शायद मैंने दिया नहीं था, फिर भी किसी ने डाउट पूछ दिया मेरे से. So whose doubt is this? Question 14. See, this is given, right? So we have to prepare this from the scratch, right? Start from the scratch, right? Start with formula a cube plus b cube. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? The factor formula is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, right? Formula is something like this, right? In place of a, let I'm writing alpha to the power 1 by 3. In place of b, I'm writing beta to the power 1 by 3, right? So what I'm getting now? So now after applying this, I'm getting alpha plus beta is equal to alpha to the power 1 by 3 plus beta to the power 1 by 3 alpha to the power 2 by 3 minus alpha to the power 1 by 3 beta to the power 1 by 3 beta to the power 2 by 3, right? Now what I'm doing, right, I'm proposing, okay, let's suppose I'm putting beta is equal to 1. So I'm getting alpha plus 1 is equal to alpha to the power 1 by 3 into 1 alpha to the power 2 by 3 minus alpha to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. Look into this. ये जो अभी मैंने लिखा है थोड़ा इस पर नजर डालें. अल्फा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल ये क्वांटिटी, ये जो गिवन है और आपका जो क्वेश्चन है, क्या वो ये दोनों में कोई रिलेशन में एस्टेब्लिश कर सकता हूँ? क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दिस एंड ये. ध्यान से देखो हो क्या रहा है ये पूरे फैक्टर में कि दिस इज इरेशनल नंबर, दिस इज इरेशनल नंबर अगर अल्फा टू द पावर 1 by 3 सर्ट्स है, राइट, एंड यू आर गेटिंग अल्फा प्लस 1 दैट्स अ रैशनल नंबर, राइट. तो मैंने ये इरेशनलिटी को इस जो सेकंड वन जो इरेशनल है उससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, आई एम गेटिंग द रैशनल वन. तो दिस इज नोन एज योर इरेशनल फैक्टर्स जो होते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज इरेशनल फैक्टर्स, राइट. rationalizing factor for denominator, right? This is known as a rationalizing factor of denominator, or you can say the conjugate, also use the conjugate, right, to make this rational, to make this rational, right? So now see, now relate with the question, means alpha, if I'm putting alpha is equal to 2, right, I'm putting alpha is equal to 2, so this is 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. So rationalizing factor of this number is nothing but this. Just a minute. Okay, everyone. Note down, please. Note down carefully, please.
So I didn't understand why did we take 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 upon 3 plus 1.
Understand alpha plus 1 above that? Understand alpha plus 1?
Yes, sir.
So in place of alpha, if you'll put 2, so you're getting this answer, or this relation.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Getting, huh? Sana, getting, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this, what I'm doing, I'm using the formula of AQ plus BQ. Now I'm changing the AQ plus BQ formula as what we required, right? The initially I have started with AQ plus BQ only, right? Then like stepwise, first change the formula for alpha to the power 1 by 3, beta to the power 1 by 3, then put the value of beta is equal to 1. Then again go for one more step and alpha is equal to 2. Okay. Yes, stage. Okay, everyone. So this is the formula for alpha cube, beta cube, a cube plus b cube. Then you are getting this answer, right? What if I'll ask 2 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, right? If I'm asking, okay, what is the conjugate of 2 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1? What you will multiply this? So again, we have to start with the basic, right? A cube minus B cube. The formula is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now, in place of A, I'm putting alpha to the power 1 by 3, for B, beta to the power 1 by 3. So this is alpha minus beta is equal to alpha to the power 1 by 3 minus beta to the power 1 by 3, alpha to the power 2 by 3 plus alpha to the power 1 by 3, beta to the power 1 by 3 plus beta to the power 2 by 3. In place of beta 1, alpha minus 1, alpha to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, alpha to the power 2 by 3 plus alpha to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. In place of alpha, 2, right? 2 minus 1, the answer will be for 2 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, the conjugate or the rationalizing factor for this is something like this. While you have to resolve the cubic factor, the order 3 factor, you have to apply this formula. If order is 1 by 3, see order is 3, 1 by 3 power is given, then you have to apply this formula. Okay, Tej? Everyone did? Got it? Good, very good. But see the rationalization of, this is called double rationalization, right? Double rationalization, right? You have to rationalize, but you have to rationalize 2 times, right? That's called double rationalization. Right? Like It is given in the question 3 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus root 5. You have to rationalize this. What you have to think or what you have to do, you have to rationalize this 2 times. I'm taking one factor is this and other is this. So you are writing root 3 minus root 2 minus root 5 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus root 5. What you are getting? 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 5 upon root 3 minus root 2 the whole square minus 5, right? So what you are getting? 3 times root 3 minus root 2 minus root 5 upon, we have to expand this. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This will be 5 minus 5 cancel out. So this minus 2 root 5 multiply with root 5 in the numerator and denominator. So this will be 2 into 5 with minus sign. Root 5, root 15 minus root 10 minus 5, right? Multiply with minus sign. 3 by 10, 5 plus root 10 minus root 15. This answer you are getting at last. See this carefully. यहाँ तक नोट करो, फिर मैं स्क्रॉल डाउन करूंगा. Yes. There is some change in this. This will be root 6. क्योंकि मैंने दोनों का ये किया था ना. 2 root 6. So you have to multiply with root 6 from numerator and denominator. This is 6. I don't know why I have written 5. Right? So, bit changes we have to do. बाद में करता हूँ वो. पहले ये लिखते हैं. Okay. Done everyone? What we are getting? 3 root 18 minus root 12 minus root 30 upon minus 2 into 6. 3 to just 6. Multiply with the minus sign, right? 1 by 4 with minus sign, root 30 plus root 12 minus root 18, right? Or we can rewrite this as root 30 plus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, right? Is it okay? Okay, everyone. Right? इसके बाद कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? उस क्वेश्चन वाज देयर. बेसिक में किसी का बच गया क्वेश्चन? 20 था क्या? 20 डाउट था किसी का? 20 वाज द डाउट. लेकिन इससे पढ़ने के पहले, राइट, यू हैव टू डू डबल रैशनलाइजेशन के कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं दूं. Do it. Do it, everyone. Double rationalization. Done. Very good. Look into this. Very good. Multiply with the conjugate or rationalizing factor of this, right? Upon 1 plus root 2 the whole square is 3 cancel out. Multiplying with root 2 again due to the double rationalization. Upon 4. Right? Or you can rewrite, right? You can rewrite this as 2 plus root 2 minus root 6 whole thing divided by 4. न्यूमरेटर में इरेशनल वाले टर्म रहेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी इरेशनल का टर्म नहीं होना चाहिए. While solving you have to be careful on this part, right? Okay, yes stage check करो एक बार बेटा, check this out. Okay, one more. Try this. कंप्लीट सॉल्व करना। Done everyone? Relax होके करना. This is very simple and ये exactly you have to get this. Okay, very good Himisa. Pretty, very good. Yes, very good. This is called double rationalization, right? 2 times you have to rationalize this. Very good. Devendra, Dara, Divyajot, Diya, Gagandeep, Jas, Jatin, Jay, Johanna, Karan, Chris, everyone. Send your just responses required, beta. Miral, Umar, Niyati. Yeah, whose name is this Redmi? ये चाइनीज नाम क्यों रख रहा है? Change your name. Yes, Redmi, change your name. देखो मैं अनम्यूट तुम्हें कर रहा हूँ, पता चल जाएगा.
सर चेंज कर दिया.
ये चाइनीज नाम क्यों रखा है? और वो भी इंडिया में, बता. अभी ऐसे ही टेंशन चल रहा है, तू चाइनीज नाम रख रहा है, बता. रेडमी, वीवो, किसी का नाम वीवो? कोई नहीं. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. नाउ rationalize. Right? A plus B, A minus B. 2 plus root 3, the whole square, minus 7 upon 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 7. 7 cancel out. This is 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 upon 4 root 3. Multiplying with root 3, dividing with root 3. 2 root 3 plus 3 minus root 21 upon 12. Smriti, check karo. Kunal, check it. Just very good. Tej, very good. Sweta, very good. Yes, very good, Vicha. Nimisa, very good. Very good. चलो. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ये सब तो अभी लर्निंग का फेज है, थोड़े बहुत गलत होते हैं, चलेगा. हाँ, तो सीखने हैं अभी हम लोगों को ना, नो प्रॉब्लम. गलती नहीं है, ये तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में थोड़ा सा आने टाइम लेगा. राइट, नो वरी. राइट, so this is about like double rationalization, right? When you have to rationalize this twice, right? दो बार rationalize करने हो तब के लिए फंक्शन कैसे यूज होंगे, right? I guess everyone knowing this. एक क्वेश्चन और था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, right? 19 भी था क्या? एटीन 19 भी था. फर्स्ट 18, x is equal to 3 plus root 8, then find value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Whose doubt is this? अभी कर लेता हूँ 14, अब इसमें ले आया तो पहले इसे कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है, whose doubt is this? किसका डाउट है ये? वेरी गुड, यस, वेरी गुड बेटा. यस के तो आंसर भी आ गए. किसका डाउट है देख लो एक बार. स्मृति, वेरी गुड. एनीवन? किसी का डाउट नहीं? कौन देके भाग गया? कोई डाउट पूछ के भाग गया? देखो, चलो, किसी ने भी पूछा हो एक बार बताना तो बनता है, क्योंकि आपने पूछ लिया है. 1 by x is 1 upon 3 plus अंडर रूट 8, कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 1 by x 3 minus root 8 अपॉन ये नंबर आ जाएगा 9 minus 8, दैट्स 1 ओनली, तो दिस इज 3 minus root 8. एंड दोनों को ऐड कर दूं मैं, तो आई एम गेटिंग x plus 1 by x is equal to, राइट, ये दोनों को ऐड किया तो दैट्स 6 ओनली, राइट. नाउ स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 is equal to 36, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by x स्क्वायर is equal to 34. फिर से एक बार दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर कर दिया, राइट. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab लगा दिया, यू आर गेटिंग 1156 minus 2 minus 2 to 1154. Okay. Okay, everyone. Tansu, yes. Yes, ask please.
Sir, you wrote x square plus 1 by x square plus
2.
what, sir?
2. What is the
Sir, can't listen.
a whole square? What is the formula for a whole square?
Sir,
A plus b whole square formula.
a square plus b square plus 2ab.
And in place of a it's x, or in place of b if it's 1 by x, then 2ab.
Oh, okay, sir, I understood. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Question number 40. Note कर ले बेटा. Question number 14 तो डिस्कस किया. ठीक, हाँ, सो गया था क्या? उसी पे तो इतना कहानी सुनाया था, कितनी लंबी चौड़ी कहानी हो गई. रामायण महाभारत सब कर लिया, उसके बाद बोलता है सर 14 बता दो. ये क्या था? ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, 19 किसी का डाउट है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 किसी का डाउट है? Anyone having doubt? Question number 19, 20, Anyone having doubt? Question number 20. Okay, 19 तो नहीं है, 20th. Okay, going for question number 20th. X is equals to under root of a plus 2b plus under root of a minus 2b upon a plus 2b का under root minus under root of a minus 2b, right? Then you have to prove bx square minus ax plus b is equal to 0. This we have to prove, right? Quite simple. Yancy, very good. कोई help करेगा मेरे को? What you have to do for question number 20? Will help me for question number 20? Yes, Yancy. Yes, please.
Sir, in question number 20, we can also rationalize the x is equals to that value, or we can also use componendo dividendo.
This componendo and dividendo will work. Now, I guess everyone know this componendo and dividendo, right? Yeah, dividendo, componendo, like when you have to add or subtract the things, right? Exactly what is this? See, if this is the formula, right? A by B is equal to C by D is given, then we can write A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Right? This is the formula, right? You have to remember this formula. This is called componendo and dividendo, right? If this is given, you can convert in this form, right? From this, right? So if I'm applying this here, so this x by 1 is equal to something given, so this is A, let this is B. So I'm writing x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to, look into this. Right? Okay. Now again we can apply the componendo and dividendo. This is x plus 1 the whole square plus x minus 1 the whole square upon x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square, a plus 2b plus this will be 2a upon 4b, right? If you'll see this, now it's coming very good. Twice of x square plus 1 upon 4x is equal to a by 2p, right? So this is b x square plus 1 is equal to ax. महक, कौन सा बोर्ड? ये फॉर्मूला समझ में आया? कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो समझ में आया? कंपोनेंट सीबीएसई तो 100%। कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो था, फॉर्मूला याद है कुछ? कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो सीबीएसई में नहीं था। सीबीएसई में था क्या कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो? अरे रेशियो प्रपोर्शन में ही था। रेशियो प्रपोर्शन में। कोई नहीं, फिर से मैं बताता हूँ, ध्यान से देना अभी ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। पहले इसे नोट करो, फिर मैं बताता हूँ ना। नोट इट डाउन फास्ट। जस्ट मिनट, हैंग हो रहा है। Yeah. लास्ट स्टेप में मैंने क्या लिखा ना कि लाइक कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो लगाने के बाद में x+1 द होल स्क्वायर को लिखने के बाद में इट्स b इंटू b अंडर ब्रैकेट x स्क्वायर +1 is equals to a into x. Which step? ये लिखा हुआ है जो ये तो अभी बताया। इसके ऊपर में ये a है, ये b है, तो a प्लस बी ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, नीचे a माइनस बी लिखा हुआ है। लुक इनटू दिस ना। सीबीएसई में जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा है वो ध्यान से देखना यहाँ पर ना क्या होगा, पहले इसे समझना। कभी भी आपके पास कुछ ऐसा गिवन है ना, a बाई बी इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन डी, राइट? तो यू कैन राइट दिस एज a प्लस बी अपॉन a माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस डी अपॉन सी माइनस डी। ऊपर में प्लस हुआ तो यहाँ भी प्लस है, नीचे माइनस हुआ तो यहाँ भी ऑर्डर भी वैसा ही है जिससे दोनों में रहेगा, राइट? तो जो क्वेश्चन मेरे पास गिवन था उसमें हमने सिंबॉलिक तरीके से लिया, कोई एक a है, कोई एक b है, एंड उसे सॉल्व करने के लिए लाइक x इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट ऑफ a प्लस 2b प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ a माइनस 2b अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ a प्लस 2b अंडर रूट ऑफ a माइनस 2b। तो ये सॉल्व करने में ना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है, राइट? कैसे? मैं जूम कर रहा हूँ, ये a है, ये b है और ये पूरा c है, ये पूरा d, राइट? ये इसी फॉर्म में हो गया जो गिवन है a बाई बी। तो मैं क्या लिखूं, a प्लस बी, तो x प्लस वन अपॉन एक्स माइनस वन इज इक्वल टू, दोनों को ऐड करूंगा, ट्वाइस ऑफ अंडर रूट a प्लस 2b अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ अंडर रूट a माइनस 2b, ये आएगा। राइट? दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर कर दिया तो x प्लस वन का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन x माइनस वन का होल स्क्वायर a प्लस 2b बाई a माइनस 2b। यहां तक में किसी को कंफ्यूजन या डाउट हो तो पहले बताओ, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा। एनीवन हैविंग एनी कंफ्यूजन और डाउट और समथिंग, तो प्लीज आस्क। नहीं डाउट है, इट्स वेरी गुड। तो काफी लोगों को नहीं डाउट होगा, किसी को डाउट हो तो वो बताओ, वो मेरे लिए अधिक इंपॉर्टेंट है। किसी को स्टेप ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो तो मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूं। नहीं डाउट तो काफी लोगों को है, कोई एक भी अगर बच जा रहे हो तो इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर अस, क्योंकि ये यूज करूंगा मैं काफी बार आगे चल के। ओके, तो एवरीवन इज गेटिंग दिस विदाउट एनी डाउट, राइट? फिर से ध्यान दो, जो मेरे पास आ गया, ये इसे a एज्यूम किया, इसे b, इसे c एज्यूम किया, इसे d एज्यूम किया, राइट? फिर यही वाले फॉर्मूले में फिर इसी तरह से मैं लगाता हूँ, राइट? तो वो मेरे पास क्या आएगा, x प्लस वन द होल स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस वन द होल स्क्वायर, x प्लस वन द होल स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस वन द होल स्क्वायर, a प्लस 2b प्लस a माइनस 2b अपॉन a प्लस 2b माइनस a माइनस 2b, राइट? सो सॉल्व करूंगा अब, ठीक है? तो x प्लस ये जो हमारे पास है इसे सॉल्व करूंगा, राइट? तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस वन, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस वन, दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, 2x बचा, ट्वाइस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वन, नीचे 2x 4x बचा, यहाँ पर ऊपर ऐड हुआ 2a आया, नीचे आया 4b आया। इसी को सॉल्व करके मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा। देख लो सभी लोग, कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो तो प्लीज आस्क, या फिर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं हम लोग। ओके, महक, महक, ओके, आई स्टेप्स पूरे समझ में? ओके, ये हमने बेसिक वाले पूरे कर दिए। अब आप लोग के पास 2 मिनट का टाइम लेंगे आप लोग, राइट? फर्दर वाले क्वेश्चन को आराम से देखो, डाउट कुछ हो, जो भी डाउट्स है वो लिखना शुरू करें मेरे को, चैट में भी लिख सकते हैं ना, नंबर्स चैट में लिख सकते हैं। टेक योर टाइम, 2 मिनट्स। 6, 7, 13, 17. 5, 6, 7, 17, 13. और कोई भी है क्या? Whose doubt is this? Question number 5. Whose doubt is this? Question number 5. Raise your hand, please. Acha, I told 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. 7 was not there, na? ठीक है. Yes, Kunal. Yes, tell me, beta. What is the problem?
Sir, actually, I tried in this sum by squaring both the sides. So I got a
Not bad. Both the numbers are positive, so you can square both sides, right? So
Yes.
what you are getting, if you are squaring both sides, you are getting a square plus b square minus 2 under root 110, right? And
Sir,
there
actually, then,
minus 2 under root this.
sir, your screen is hanged, I think.
It will come better.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
Something like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, now but actually I was confused that I didn't know the value of
You
root
have not to put the
110
values.
and 120.
Very good. Good try. So see what you can do, right? If I'll ask you 1 by 10 and 1 by 2, which one is greater? 1 by 10 and 1 by 2, which one is greater? क्या बोलेगा, कौन सा बड़ा लग रहा है तेरे को? 1 by 2 बड़ा होगा या 1 by 10 बड़ा है? कुणाल,
Hello?
yeah.
Sir, 1 by 2 greater hai.
Why 1 by 2 greater?
Because a number is divided into only two parts, and in 1 by 10, 10 parts are there.
Okay.
Means
if the number
one
in the
of 10
denominator is larger, the
Yes.
number will be lesser, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, see, look into this, right? What I'm doing,
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, answer of P is given, no? P is equal to so
wait. I'm giving you the solution now. Wait. Now I'm multiplying with the conjugate, right? So after multiplying the conjugate, I'm getting root 10 plus root 11, and there I'm writing root 12 plus root 10, right? Look, which one is greater in the denominator part? Which one is greater?
Sir, I didn't get this. What you did actually multiplying it.
Multiply with the conjugate. Root 10 plus root 11.
Okay. Yes, sir.
It will be 1
Yes.
only. The denominator part is root 10 plus root 11. And same with the root 12 minus root 10.
Yes.
Right? So which one is greater?
Root 10 plus root 11.
Root 10 plus root 11. So like which one is lesser now?
Root 12 plus root 10. Yes.
Yeah, this one. So again.
Yes.
So you conjugate in this would be like go for the easier one, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then
Thank you,
5.
sir.
Yeah, beta. 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, so now you are able to do this, right? 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. See, what is this? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha to the power 1 by 3 plus beta to the power 1 by 3. The conjugate is alpha to the power 2 by 3 minus alpha to the power 1 by 3, beta to the power 1 by 3 plus beta to the power 2 by 3, right? In place of alpha, you have to write down 2. In place of beta, you have to write down 1 by 2, right? So what you are getting, 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. Minus 1 because 1 is 2, other is 1 by 2, both will be cancelling, plus 1 by 2 to the power 2 by 3 or 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. So this is the rationalizing factor, and after rationalizing what you are getting, this will get after rationalizing. वही फॉर्मूला यूज किया 6 के लिए जो हम लोगों ने आज किया था. Note down, this is very important. Note down, everyone. Done. This fifth one, we have multiplied with conjugate, right? So larger the denominator part, lesser the complete number. Okay. ये भी नोट हो गया. Now next question was, कौन सा था? Next question was 13 and 17. 13 x is equals to, wow, this is a very good question. X is equals to under root of 7 plus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3, then x square, x minus 14 the x whole square. इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी. Okay.
So that's x square bracket x minus 4 the whole square, right? Or x plus 4 the whole square.
Where?
In the question, sir.
You don't have question?
No, sir. You've written no, sir.
Why? So you have not tried these questions?
No, I've tried, sir.
So it's x minus 14. This is x minus 14 the whole square. X square into x minus 14 the whole square, right? Anyone can help me for this? This is a beautiful question, right? मैं करूँ क्या? मैं solve करके दिखाऊं? See, again multiply with the conjugate of this. So I'm getting, right, upon 49 minus 48 is in the under root. This is 1. So this is 7 plus 4 root 3, right? Something like this. Is it okay? Right? Now, x minus 7 the whole square is equal to 4 root 3 the whole square. X square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 16 to 3 is 48. Okay, so now I can write x minus 14 is equal to minus 1. Again squaring both sides. X square x minus 14 the whole square is equal to minus 1 square is 1 only. Okay. Look at this. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में तो एक अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू सोच लो ना, वो तो दिखाई दे रहा है नंबर √17 4 से ऊपर की वैल्यू है. फोर माइनस 1 3 होगा, वो 2 तक ही पहुंच पा रहा है, राइट. 16. देन क्वेश्चन 17 मैंने होमवर्क दिया था क्या? क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. राइट. आ जाओ जल्दी से. अब मेरे ख्याल से इसके अलावा और कोई नहीं है जो मैंने. ओके. सो नाउ come to this brain exercise, brain works, right? Brain works. Go for brain works, जिसमें दिया था क्वेश्चंस. जल्दी से ब्रेन वर्क में देखो कौन से क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 5, क्वेश्चन 2. 2 क्वेश्चन मेरे पास अभी आए हैं, 2 and 5. इसके अलावा कोई और? फर्स्ट फोर्थ, right? First, √2 is a rational number, right? Let √2 is equal to rational number, right? Suppose √2 is a rational number, so we can represent this in the form of P by Q. And P and Q are co-prime, right? दोनों एक दूसरे को डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे, यही हमने अज्यूम किया. को-प्राइम का मतलब एक दूसरे में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, दोनों एक दूसरे को डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, so this is 2 square is equal to P square. अब ये 2 का फैक्टर है. 2 का फैक्टर होने का मतलब हो गया कि P मस्ट बी इवन, राइट? P को इवन होना पड़ेगा, और अगर P इवन है तो P को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 2m समथिंग, राइट? एंड P अगर इवन है तो Q मस्ट बी ऑड, राइट? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ लिखा हुआ है दोनों जो फैक्टर्स हैं हमारे पास तो को प्राइम है, तो दोनों इवन नहीं हो सकते हैं. मतलब हमने अगर P को इवन रख लिया है तो Q मस्ट बी ऑड, राइट? बट यहीं पर से हमारा गड़बड़ होगा. क्या गड़बड़ होगा? P को मैंने 2m रखा, 2m जैसे रखा तो 2q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4m स्क्वायर, 2 2 4, तो q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2m स्क्वायर. अब ध्यान दो, राइट साइड में 2 का फैक्टर आ गया. 2 का फैक्टर आने का मतलब हो गया क्या कि q मस्ट बी इवन, राइट? ये बट तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर गया. हमने यहाँ तो लेके चला हुआ था q p इवन है और Q को ऑड होना पड़ेगा, बट यहाँ पर Q मेरा इवन आ गया. मतलब ये हम लोगों ने गलत किया, मतलब ये गलत है, मतलब ये गलत है, मतलब मेरा अजम्पशन गलत है. मतलब √2 जो हमने रैशनल लिया, नंबर रैशनल नहीं है. तो नंबर 2 ही तरीके के होते हैं, या तो रैशनल या इररैशनल. सो दिस मस्ट बी इररैशनल. See, first we have taken, assume that this is rational, right? Rational होगा तो P and Q must be co-prime, right? So squaring both side, so I'm getting this step. अब ये 2 का फैक्टर आने पर हमने बोल दिया दिस हैविंग द फैक्टर ऑफ 2, सो आई एम सेइंग कि P मस्ट बी इवन, राइट? P अगर इवन है तो हमने P को 2m रख दिया, P को जैसे 2m रखा तो ऑब्वियसली को प्राइम दोनों है तो Q मस्ट बी ऑड, राइट? तो अब मैंने P को 2m रखा तो यहाँ पर ये कैंसिल होने के बाद एक और 2 का फैक्टर Q के लिए बच गया, मतलब यहाँ से ये प्रूफ हो गया कि Q मस्ट बी इवन। बट हमने एज्यूम जो किया था यहाँ पर, जो एजम्पशन हमारा था ये था, राइट? और मैं ये लेके आ रहा हूँ, तो ये दोनों ही तो अपने आप को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब हमने जो एज्यूम किया था वो रॉन्ग है, तो हमने जो एज्यूम किया था ये रैशनल है वो रॉन्ग है, मतलब दिस मस्ट बी इरैशनल। जितनी ओके, राइट? second one, A, B, C, D are rational number, B, D greater than 0 and surds हैं। A plus root B is equal to C plus root D. Then A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Right? अब अगर सर्ट्स हैं, ये दोनों सर्ट्स हैं, तो सर्ट्स को ही इक्वेट करेगा, सर्ट्स को इक्वेट करेगा का मतलब ये हुआ कि अंडर रूट बी जो होगा वो अंडर रूट डी के इक्वल होगा, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, तो बी इज इक्वल टू डी, ये आ गया। अगर b इज इक्वल टू डी आ गया तो a प्लस रूट बी इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस रूट बी आ गया, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, so it's coming as a is equal to c, b is equal to d and a is equal to c. ओके, सेकंड। थर्ड भी किसी का डाउट था? थर्ड किसी ने पूछा था क्या? नहीं। 4 and 5, 4 x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz का फॉर्मूला याद है? इसका फॉर्मूला याद है? इसका फॉर्मूला होता है x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स, ये फॉर्मूला होता है, राइट? ऑब्वियसली, वेरी गुड। यहाँ पर अगर क्वेश्चन पे आप ध्यान देके देख रहे हो तो x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड की वैल्यू 0 है, मतलब इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो गई, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0, तो आंसर इज 0 आंसर। ओके, यस,
Sir,
yes,
here it's given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 2xyz. You had written x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz.
बेटा तो
It's different, na?
हाँ, तो इसके लिए तो ये फॉर्मूला है, यू नो ना। For this, the formula is this one, means the what we are getting from this. If the formula is this one, or we are getting 0 for this, x plus y plus z equal to 0, means we have to subtract one xyz and we have to add one xyz. So if you'll subtract one xyz, so this formula will be coming, this is value 0. So what you are getting, only x into y into z, right? What is the value of xyz? So xyz is given there, root 7 minus root 5, root 7 minus root 5, root 5 minus root 3, and root 3 minus root 7. This is your answer.
Okay, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, fifth one, ध्यान से देखना fifth को. Under root 4, what you can write? 4 under root 4 as 2 plus 2, right? Or we can write this as under root of 2 plus under root of 4. This you can write under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2. Right? This we can write under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 4. So we can write under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus, यही चीज चलता जाएगा infinity. Means this is not, बस एक तरीका तो ये हुआ सॉल्व करने का, बट मैथमेटिकल तरीका बताऊं, x इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस, इनफाइनाइट तक सीरीज जा रही है, तो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि सभी को हटा के मैंने एक x ले डाला. What I am saying, if the series is going up to infinity, so if I'll not take one root 2 there, so there isn't any change. So I can write x is equal to under root of 2 plus x, squaring both sides. X square is equal to 2 plus x, or x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'm getting 2 and minus 1, but 100% minus 1 must not be the solution, right? Only 2 is the solution. Why? Because under root is a positive quantity. Yes, unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, Hitansu, want to ask anything?
No, sir.
But if something is going to infinity now, so something was there as x is equal to under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root 2 up to infinite, right? So I'm saying if I'll not take 1 root 2, so still the number will be same, right? So I'm saying x is equal to under root of 2 plus x. So x, now you can solve by squaring this thing. Is it okay? Okay, done everyone? Done with this? ठीक है ना? तो अब होमवर्क पूरा का पूरा जितने सीट में जितने भी क्वेश्चन है यू हैव टू ट्राई. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगा. एनीवन वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग, प्लीज मोस्ट वेलकम. आप अपने क्वेश्चंस और अभी डाउट्स अपने पूछ सकते हो. इसके अलावा भी कुछ और चाहो तो. मैं अनम्यूट अभी भेज देता हूँ बेटा.